In today's free online video Capcut video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a marker to your video so that you can look something like this in less than 2 minutes. First step is to open up Capcut for Windows PC and drag your video file onto the timeline. The next step is to locate the clip where you want to add the marker. In this case, I'm adding the clip right before our subject looks into the camera and the camera zooms in. You can click B on your keyboard and open up the razor tool and click A to deselect. Click on your video clip and then on the top here, scroll to the left until you see Add Marker. Now click Add Marker to the video clip. If you double click, you can change the color and you can add a name to the marker. In this case, we'll change it to color orange. And this is the before. And this is the after. Now this is very cool. If you want to add several markers onto the video clip, you basically go back and you can click M on your keyboard. It adds a marker, and a marker. So anywhere when you're editing on your video or on the video timeline, you can click on the marker and it goes to the designation portion or the designated video clip. Thanks for watching this free online video Capcut editing tutorial for Windows PC completely for free. If you want to see more videos like this, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel.